Over here on Mango Street, we're big proponents of getting creative despite any limitations you may have. Maybe it's the lack of high-end gear, no access to models or actors, or any other type of constraint. For us, we don't have most of our gear with us, we have health limitations, and we're certainly not actors.
Thanks to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra for sponsoring this video. We'll shoot with the S22 to prove you don't need high-end cinema cameras to tell stories in a captivating way.
So we'll shoot a little short film with the S22 Ultra and then take it out for some night photography.
Since no one wants to see us act on camera, we had to think outside the bun.
We decided to make a short film about a lonely ghost in a ghost town. Our inspiration for this is an indie film released in 2017 about a ghost that we contractually cannot say by name, and also the moody weather we sometimes get on the coast.
For the wardrobe, all we need is our trusty sheet and a pair of dirty white sneaks.
For the gear, all we need is our trusty Galaxy S22 Ultra. We shot the entire thing handheld, utilizing super steady video thanks to autofocus video stabilization.
Except for a couple of shots where we used a tripod since we both needed to be in the shot and Daniel isn't open to the idea of us becoming a throuple. Yet.
To get enough shot variations with just our phone, we relied on the S22's 8K video, which allowed us to punch in on some shots without losing any quality.
Pretty cool. Okay, here's our short.
Let's keep this ghost party rolling and go shoot a promo photo for when this film definitely has its world premiere at Sundance. Alright, it's like pitch dark out on the beach. There's a lot of clouds, so there's not a lot of moon or starlight. But basically, Rach is our ghost. I am going to run around her with this little light. We have the phone on a tripod. It's going to get some long exposures for us. I'll try out a few different colors with this light probably. I think blue will look really good. And I'll shoot some raw DNG photos as well with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra so we can have some more flexibility when editing.
So we'll set up right here. Yeah, that's pretty good. A little bit to your left. Yeah, that's good. So that's east facing, so we'll have a little bit more light in the sky. And the palm tree will be nice too. Okay.
Despite very little ambient light to work with, we were still able to get some pretty cool shots.
Thanks again to Samsung for sponsoring this video. Mobile photography has come a long way, and Samsung has set the standard with smartphone power, creation, and performance.
The features of the S22 Ultra really allow creators to push the boundaries on what's possible to do with a phone. Shoot 8K videos with super steady stabilization, capture the night with crystal clear photos, and more with the Galaxy S22 Ultra.
Visit Samsung.com to learn more.